Restoring sending privileges on PayPal can be essential for managing your transactions effectively. Follow these steps to regain your ability to send money. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Access your PayPal account by visiting the PayPal website and entering your login credentials. Ensure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Check account status. Once logged in, navigate to your account summary. Look for any notifications or alerts that indicate restrictions on your account. PayPal often provides details on why sending privileges may have been limited. Step 3. Review PayPal policies. Familiarize yourself with PayPal's policies regarding account limitations. Understanding the reasons behind restrictions can help you address the issues effectively. Visit the PayPal Help Center for detailed information. Step 4. Provide required information. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact PayPal support. If you have completed the above steps and still face issues, reach out to PayPal customer support. You can do this through the help section on their website or by calling their support number. Be prepared to discuss your account and any previous communications. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on PayPal. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from PayPal support.